Nestled in the heart of North Carolina is Hickory, a hidden gem that offers a blend of serene living and modern conveniences. And within its beautiful town lies an opportunity for a lifestyle upgrade, townhouse living. That's what we'll be talking about today. Be sure to watch to the end because that's the only way to get a more complete picture as to if townhouse living is right for you and your family. Welcome to Living in Hickory, where you'll find real estate information no one else is sharing with you. Whether you're a long-time resident, a new neighbor, or you're considering a move to our wonderful town, this channel is your one-stop source for everything you need to know about living in Hickory, North Carolina. Click on the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed my content, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. And of course, your comments and questions are always welcome. Now let's get to it. Today, we'll delve into why choosing a townhouse in Hickory gives you more than just a home. The first thing I want to talk about is the efficient use of space. Townhouses often have multi-story designs that make brilliant use of vertical space, giving you more room per square foot than many single-family homes. Plus, the outlays are often open and airy, ensuring every inch is usable. My second point is the amenities and shared facilities. Most townhouse communities come with amenities that would be expensive or impossible for a single-family homeowner to have. Pools, gyms, playgrounds, they're all often just a stone throws away. Townhomes also give you a sense of community. In Hickory, community isn't just a word, it's a way of life. Townhouses naturally foster a close-knit environment. Here, neighbors become friends, offering support, sharing stories, and creating memories together. Living in close proximity to your neighbor promotes a sense of community, where block parties, shared gardens, or simply knowing who lives next door can be comforting. Townhouses often require lower maintenance. Townhouse living in Hickory means saying goodbye to time-consuming chores like extensive lawn care or external repairs. Townhouse communities often have homeowners associations that handle much of the exterior maintenance, letting you enjoy your weekends. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, could you do me a huge favor by liking, commenting, and subscribing? Thanks. Now back to the video. Townhouses in Hickory area are usually in prime locations. Unlike big city townhouses, Hickory offers both peace and convenience. Here, you're close to the town's attractions, top-rated schools, and local eateries without the hustle and bustle. My next point is added security. Many townhouse communities come with added security features, such as gated entrances or security patrols. Plus, the close-knit nature of townhouse living can mean neighbors looking out for one another. Townhouses have a modern design, especially newer ones, and they also have energy-efficient features and up-to-date appliances. You get to enjoy a contemporary lifestyle without the hassle of major home renovations. And finally, townhouses are perfect for all life stages. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or looking to downsize, townhouses offer a flexible living option. No need for a vast empty nest or feeling cramped in a small apartment. And there you have it. Hickory townhouse living isn't just a choice. It's an upgrade to a more connected, convenient, and carefree life. If you have any questions or want to explore housing options in Hickory, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you make the best decision for your future. And if you live in a townhouse, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos for more real estate insights. Until next time.